What's happening, everybody? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Well, I watched some on the Philip Scott show. Philip done made a commentary on something, you know, and he was very appalled by this. You know what I'm saying? And his fans and the people that was commenting was very appalled by this. Okay, y'all want to know what it is, but this video is going on all three of my channels: the Domino 7 Show channel, Domino 7 Vlog channel, and the Domino 866 Gameplay channel. Okay, you know, I want to tell y'all something. What I heard about Erica Banks, you know what I'm saying? I mean, honestly, she's a grown woman, 24. You know what I'm saying? Going to a high school, twerking on high schoolers, Yeah, that is very, very, very despicable, That is a total disgrace. Repugnant, I hate that word, it hurts. And very outrageous, you know what I'm saying? Okay. And I'm pretty sure the school officials seen her videos. I barely heard of her. Yeah, I kind of heard of her. I don't know how I heard of her. But obviously that was sickening. That was very sickening, honestly, y'all. Mm-hmm. Let that would have been a man doing something like that to high school girls, black or white. Not only that, that man who would have been arrested. That man would have had a lot of backlash. Calling him a pedophile, blah blah blah, this that and the other. I'm like, that don't make no damn sense, y'all. That don't make no damn sense at all. What I saw, that was very outrageous. That was a total disgrace. All right, I'll be back, y'all.